Hi everyone, my name is Nikisha Evans. I'm currently working in the mental health field under the community umbrella agency under DHS, which is known as KUA. I currently am a case manager that help families be reunified with their children or termination of rights, a lot of emotional draining things that happen throughout the day. My past experience through this journey has been up and down. Um, I just got finished doing a scientific method with raw data, which I kind of stink at that. However, I gave it my all, even though I didn't know what I was doing. I currently hope to gain here on out is more understanding of social work, how kinship works, the overall research of it. I hate the word research. This is another course that's outside of my comfort zone. I'm not really keen on doing policy reviews, but it's all about the techniques and the fact that I will never give up. So I hope to work with you guys, each and every one of you, very shortly.